So I just built a roof on the ground. Here's something you probably didn't know. Manufacturers can privately test their own products in closed environments in order to get different certifications and listings. Their product could fail 100 times and it just needs to pass one time, and then they can have that UL stamp or whatever on their product, the specific rating that they're going for. Here's the rule when it comes to this roof. Anything that goes on this roof will get an honest review. Anything bad about the product, I'm going to let you know what it is. There will be no bias based on sponsorships or manufacturers that I'm partial to or anything like this. This roof, this is for honestly testing products. You can see right here the playlist where all of the videos of products that have been tested on this roof will be located. I feel like in the industry we need to have more honesty and more transparency, and just because there's a bad feature or a known issue about a product doesn't mean you shouldn't use it. Everything doesn't have to be perfect, but if you know what you're working with and you know what the limitations are and you know what the problems are with the product, that's going to allow you to make better decisions in order to have an all-around better product for the customers. Let me take you back and kind of show you how I made this thing. So I got some pressure treated lumber on some concrete blocks. I built kind of a pony wall and then sloped the rafters up to it and then blocked some of it and sheeted some of it. I then sheeted the top of the section, which it is 16 feet long and 12 feet tall, and we're planning on making a few more sections in order to incorporate metal and tile roofs. So I did team up on this project with Easy Solar. They wanted to do some testing on some of their new products, and I wanted to do testing myself, so this is going to work out really well. I did put underlayment down with drip edge. Really wanted to make like a consistent, accurate setting where we can test products to see if there is issues with leaking or anything structural. I'm sitting on a architectural asphalt shingle roof. Above me I also have a 3-tab, and the plan is to add tile, metal, and a few other materials. If you have any products that you use or that you're interested in trying out, comment, send me a message, connect with me. I want to go through a lot of different products, and it's better if I test things that you guys are interested in, and so the content is like beneficial for the industry. So please let me know if you have something that you want me to try out.